an important thing to be mindful of when using Scratch is how the computer knows where the sprite is on the screen. Now, you'll notice as I'm moving him around the stage, at the moment I'm not using commands, I'm just dragging him, so I'm graphically positioning him where I want him. You'll notice that these two numbers here are changing constantly. I've got an X value and a Y value, so currently he's at 129 and a Y value of minus 50. They've got helpful arrows on there to help learners with this, because Scratch's stage is on a XY 4-quadrant axis. That is really, really useful because it is how the computer knows where it is. It just has to memorize a coordinate rather than having to locate the thing. Now, there is available a backdrop which shows the XY axis on it. This is really helpful. I mean, the center of the sprite, so right on this one, it'd be just underneath his chin. Right in the center of the sprite is the coordinate that matters. So his foot might not be at minus 83.59, but his center is. You can see they've got marks when it goes up to 180 and to minus 180 Y values, and it goes from minus 240 to 240 along the x-axis because it's not quite a square. You can go off the edge, but then obviously you won't be able to see the sprite. We'll look at this more in the move blocks, but you'll notice with the move blocks that while sometimes they talk about steps, they also have quite a few move blocks use grid reference and coordinates. That is the more efficient way to use it, and we'll look at that later on with the movement section if you want to go and have a look at that in there. But coordinates are really, really useful to help get a grip about where your Scratch sprite actually is on the screen.